Welcome to this week's edition of Lung and Respiratory Research Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs, brought to you by LucidQuest. Lupin has launched ipratropium bromide nasal spray in the United States, offering a bioequivalent alternative to Atrovent. Available in 0.03% and 0.06% concentrations, the spray is indicated for the symptomatic relief of rhinorrhea associated with allergic and non-allergic perennial rhinitis, as well as the common cold. The U.S. market for this treatment is valued at approximately $63 million annually, marking a key milestone for Lupin in the nasal spray segment. Upstream Bio has dosed the first patient in its Phase 2 venture trial of verekitug in moderate to severe chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD. Verekitug is a TSLP receptor antagonist with potential to offer differentiated efficacy and less frequent dosing than current therapies. The company's broader pipeline includes clinical trials in asthma and chronic rhinosinusitis with nasal polyps, known as CRSwNP, positioning it as a significant player in respiratory biologics. The Pan American Health Organization has launched a new interactive respiratory virus dashboard. This publicly accessible platform tracks influenza, respiratory syncytial virus, and SARS-CoV-2 trends across the Americas. The dashboard provides weekly updates with virologic and syndromic data, offering country-specific insights in multiple languages to support public health decision-making and preparedness. BiomX has published encouraging results in Nature for its phage therapy BX004, targeting Pseudomonas aeruginosa in cystic fibrosis patients. The Phase 2A data showed a 500-fold reduction in bacterial burden with no observed resistance or disruption of the healthy microbiome. A Phase 2B trial is now underway, with top-line results expected in the first quarter of 2026. This represents a promising advancement in precision microbiome therapeutics. Borui Pharma, based in China, has received regulatory clearance to initiate clinical trials of its tiotropium bromide aerosol, a bronchodilator used for maintenance therapy in COPD. The approval supports the company's strategy to expand in complex inhalation and injectable drug delivery. Despite a slight decline in profits during 2024, Borui continues to invest in respiratory innovation as the Chinese COPD drug market expands. Boehringer Ingelheim has begun its Phase 3 airtivity trial of B1291583 in patients with bronchiectasis. This investigational therapy targets cathepsin C, an enzyme involved in neutrophilic inflammation, aiming to address bronchiectasis at its biological root. Following promising Phase 2 results, the Phase 3 trial seeks to validate the efficacy of BI1291583 in reducing lung inflammation and improving patient outcomes. In a major industry development, Merck has announced a $10 billion acquisition of Verona Pharma. With this deal, Merck adds Ohtuvayre, also known as ensifentrine, to its cardiopulmonary portfolio. Ohtuvayre is the first FDA-approved maintenance therapy for COPD that combines both bronchodilator and anti-inflammatory actions in a single molecule. Approved in 2024, the drug is anticipated to play a pivotal role in long-term disease control and market expansion. Stay ahead in lung and respiratory health research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com.